Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install and configure Active Directory domain services step by step on Windows Server. Whether you are preparing for an exam or setting up a lab, this video will guide you through every step in a simple, practical way. So let's get started. Before we jump into the installation, let's quickly understand why do we need a domain controller. Basically, a domain controller is a server that handles authentication and authorization within a Windows domain. It allows you to manage multiple users, computers, policies from central locations, implement group policy, single sign-on, and secure access control, maintain security organizations, and scalability in enterprise network. In short, a domain controller is a backbone of any Windows-based network, especially in businesses and professional environments. First, we sign in our local administrator. Make sure your Windows server is properly installed and has a static IP assigned. This helps avoid issues when promoting the server to a domain controller. Next, rename your server to something meaningful. For example, I have named mine DC01. After renaming, restart your system to apply changes. Now, let's install the Active Directory domain services role. First of all, open Server Manager. Click on Add Roles and Features. Choose role-based or feature-based installation and click on Next. Select your local server. Click on Active Directory domain services. Click on Add Features. No, click Next, again Next, again Next. Now click on Install. Once the installation completes, we will move to promote the server. After the role is installed, just click on Close. Now we need to promote our server as a domain controller. So click here, click on Promote the server to a domain controller. Choose Add a new forest. Now choose your root domain name. For example, I choose itlab.local. You can choose according to your needs. Now simply click on Next. Here you need to set a directive services restore mode password. Always choose a strong password. Just click on Next, again Next, again Next. Proceed with default selections. Now again click on Next. Click on Install. Now the server will restart automatically after the promotion. Click on close. Again click on close. Now our server will restart automatically. Once the server reboots, log in again with your domain controller root name. To verify that our domain controller is successfully installed, open Server Manager. Go to Tools, click on Active Directory Users and Computer. Click on itlab.local, click on Users. You will see your domain structure. Now you can start creating users, organizational units, and managing your domain. Congratulations, you have successfully set up your first domain controller. I hope this video helps you understand how to install and configure Active Directory on Windows Server. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials on Windows Server, networking, and IT concepts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.